ELTEN prioritizes user safety and comfort when designing new models, but fashionable appearance and individual requirements are also important. However, first and foremost, the footwear must comply with the European standard EN ISO 2345 before it can be certified as a safety shoe. The type examination is a prerequisite for certification. This ensures that the protective features of a shoe model meet the provisions of the standard. The examination is conducted by independent institutes approved by a German accreditation body. The relevant body for ELTEN shoes is PFI, a testing and research institute for shoe manufacturing in Pirmasens. Let's go into the laboratory to have a look at some of the tests prescribed by the standard. ELTEN also tests additional quality features which are not required by the standard. Nowadays, sensitive electronic components are installed in many sectors. To protect these components, static dissipative shoes must be worn in the relevant areas. Contact resistance is crucial for safety. The protective toe cap of a safety shoe must resist to a compression force of 15 kN. In the event of an accident, sufficient room, referred to as residual height, must remain below the toe cap to ensure that the toes are not crushed. Protective toe caps aren't a problem for ELTEN, whereas toes remain intact. The toe cap must resist to a testing energy of 200 joules. This corresponds to a weight of 20 kilos at a drop height of 1 meter. The residual height must be 14 mm following the drop hammer test. Another but voluntary test performed on the toe cap is the lateral rollover test. Serious injuries can occur if a vehicle or forklift accidentally rolls over the foot. The test demonstrates whether the protective toe cap is strong enough to endure such loads. This ELTEN model has passed. How quickly could a nail lying on the floor pierce the sole, penetrate the inside of the shoe and cause serious injury? In the test, a mandrel is pushed into the sole from beneath at a force of 1100 Newton. The sole doesn't let anything through. Test passed. The material and tread are also crucial for the safety of the wearer. Here, the anti-slip properties are being tested. Many accidents at work occur through slipping. Therefore, the outsoles of safety shoes must provide for exceptionally good grip. During the test, various floors, such as ceramic or steel, are coated with cleaning detergent and/or glycerin, and the outsole grip is being measured. In any case, our ELTEN safety shoe has passed the test. Many outsoles of safety shoes consist of 2 or more layers. Under no circumstances may they detach from each other. Defective outsoles do no longer protect the foot from the penetration of liquids, chemicals or heat. "30,000 steps are simulated in the repeated bend test. This demonstrates whether the outsole develops cracks or breaks during everyday use and would no longer protect the wearer from the penetration of liquids or chemicals. The quality of the shoe material has a crucial impact on comfort and safety. The use of chemicals is inevitable for tanning leather. For instance, high-quality leather only retains tiny residues of chromium-3 after the tanning process. An excessive amount could trigger allergies in the wearer. Chromium-6, however, is toxic and may not be detected at all during testing. The repeated rub test demonstrates that the lining in the ELTEN shoe retains its protective qualities, even under permanent stress. Holes or rips in the lining material influence the wearing comfort and can cause pain. Liquids in the shoe are not only unpleasant, but can also affect safety, depending on the liquid. So it needs to be tested whether the safety shoe remains leak-proof to external moisture. The shoe is moved around underwater for 60 minutes. The feet of this ELTEN wearer will definitely stay dry. These were some of the tests performed for the standard testing in accordance with EN ISO 23445. Only once a shoe model has passed these tests, a type examination certificate can be issued. This means that the style is now certified. With a declaration of conformity, ELTEN assures retailers and customers that all shoes in the subsequent serial production correspond to the certified model. The tongue of each shoe is stamped to indicate the CE mark, standard label, manufacturer and safety class. You can count on the reliable safety of your ELTEN safety shoes. ELTEN. Take a walk on the safe side.